Tracking travel spending effectively can be a real challenge, but with Navan, it becomes straightforward and efficient. Whether you're managing a corporate travel budget or just trying to keep personal expenses in check, this software simplifies the process. In this video, I'm going to show you how to track your travel spending in Navan, and trust me, by the end of this, you'll be managing your trips with ease. Now, before we dive into the steps, here's something you'll want to know. You can actually use Navan for free by clicking the first link in the description below. Not only that, we've got some exclusive bonuses for you, so don't miss out. Navan offers a centralized platform that integrates all your travel-related expenses in one place. Whether you're booking flights, hotels, or transportation, it automatically categorizes everything so you can see where your money is going. The first step in tracking your travel spending in Navan is to sync your accounts. Link your credit cards, bank accounts, and even travel accounts, and Navan will start pulling in all relevant transactions. This means no more manually inputting receipts or tracking down charges. One of the great things about Navan is its real-time expense tracking. As soon as a booking is made, whether through Navan directly or by a third-party site, it captures the expense and categorizes it in real time. You'll always have an up-to-date picture of where your budget stands, helping you avoid overspending. The platform also allows you to set spending limits. If you're managing a corporate account, for example, you can create specific thresholds for flights, meals, and other expenses. Navan will notify you when you're approaching these limits, giving you the control you need to stay on track. Another cool feature is the reporting tools. You can generate detailed reports that break down expenses by category, trip, or even by department. This is a huge time saver when it comes to reconciling accounts or preparing for tax season. The reports are customizable, so you can view your data in a way that makes the most sense for your needs. What makes Navan stand out is its mobile app. Whether you're on the go or away on a business trip, you can access your travel spending in real time, capture receipts, and even approve expenses directly from your phone. This ensures that your spending is always accurate and updated, even if you're far from your desk. One of the unique aspects of Navan is its ability to integrate with other software, making it a powerful tool in managing not just travel expenses, but the entire financial workflow. It syncs seamlessly with accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero, ensuring that everything flows smoothly and no expense gets missed. Now, if you're a frequent traveler, you'll appreciate Navan's predictive analytics. It can help you anticipate future travel expenses based on past trends. This feature helps companies forecast travel costs and make smarter decisions about future trips. So, how do you start tracking your travel spending in Navan? First, sign up through the link below for your exclusive free trial. From there, it's just a matter of linking your accounts, setting your preferences, and letting the software do the rest. Before I wrap up, remember that this tool is available to you completely free with our exclusive bonuses. By signing up through the link in the description, you're getting an extended trial that will let you explore all the features Navan offers. Don't miss out on this powerful tool that will change how you track travel expenses forever. Give it a try today and thank me later.